offering some Filipino hair. And then if you want something that's easy to braid, take a second to braid. We got that old man. We got that old man Filipino hair for sale. Look, here we go. Make me an offer. This is all about to be an offer up. Takes a 2 seconds to braid.
It's organic too.
Yeah, it's organic.
It's organic.
It's
Filipino
virgin
shit.
Filipino hair. That's the only thing virgin about it.
Made in America.
See, here we go. Better look. Come here. Come here. Get in the light, baby. We're trying to make some Christmas money. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That's some more virgin Filipino hair. Ooh, yeah. Yes. Okay, you guys, I'm going to head out for my nail appointment. And I'll probably vlog when I get there. Look at him. Look. Y'all look at this one right here. Y'all, I swear I did no drugs when I was pregnant with them at all. I swear I didn't. I didn't even start smoking weed till I was 26. So what you talking about? And everybody was born. I don't know, child. Oh wait. No. My last day of pregnancy, I did drink a 40 ounce of Old English and ate a whole bag of Funyuns. But that was the last day. He was already formed and stuff, y'all. Okay, you guys, I am leaving my neighborhood right now to go get my pedicure. And 2 of my kids are at the house with their kids. So, of course, I have to call my eldest son to let him know what's going on. Every time they come, they don't even look for an excuse. They don't even need an excuse. We pulling up the grill, barbecuing, and, you know, we only gonna do hamburgers and links and stuff. Something simple today. And some french fries. And I'll probably go get some coleslaw and doctor it up. But that's what's going down at my crib today. And I will most definitely be vlogging it. And it's kind of hard to vlog because they love having music going on and stuff. And, man, yeah. Got to figure that part out. Okay, you guys, my pedicure is over with. And it felt so good. And I got it done at Tiffany Nails in Las Vegas. As for Sheena, the best nail tech ever. I got the best massage and scrub. You guys, man, she is the best nail tech ever. I cannot stop saying it. Aside the fact that she's my daughter-in-law, you know, hey. So if you guys are ever in Vegas and you need your nails done, sure. I already too. Y'all see my vlogs never go as planned. Never goes as planned. We got this impromptu barbecue. I mean like a protein burger.
I'm so cold. Oh my God, this ice. What in the fuck?
If you drop that, baby.
I'm gonna beat your ass if you drop the baby.
Hold on, hooks. In the back. Come on now. You gotta think a little bit smarter, not how.
And she just chilling.
You know, this is my baby. You see how this Girl, wait till you get a chance.
Let me show you guys what we have.
Hey, don't mess my close up, nigga.
Chicken tenders. Gourmet burgers with the lifted onion soup mix, the Worcestershire sauce, the little bit
It's
of egg,
Worcestershire sauce.
links. They put the burger buns on the grill with butter on them. We got we got PEBs, previously enjoyed beans, and then everybody took a shot of the Jameson.
You still on? Let me talk to them.
All they're gonna do is touch the phone and turn it on.
Mother.
Come get it.
I'm making my burger.
It's YouTube, not Facebook.
I'm gonna show them how to make a burger real quick. When you just that guy. Feel me? You know what? We're gonna skip this little process because I ain't really get it right. But I throw some baked beans on that, man. Yeah, some baked beans on them. You feel me? On the beans? Hey, man, look. You want the beans?
Yeah, man.
You gonna hold some of them beans. You feel me? I ain't even gonna show the beans until it's on the burger dripping. You know? You dig? You gotta improvise sometimes. But I got this. Now D here, it's like a sloppy Joe burger. Hey, hold on, baby. Take that. Show him one of them joints. Look, so show him the drip.
First, you take this fucking, put it on the spoon, and
And the jello, put it. Yeah, all the dribble. Mom, what you doing?
Something to drink. Because I'm parched.
Dehydrated?
Yes, I need some salad.
That is not good for dehydration. Jameson is.
Yeah, right.
All right. H2O, you got me. That's real? That's real right there? That's real? No, don't shot. No. Alright, hey, hang on. I might be boring, but so what? You still here if you still looking. Straight up. That shit good, dude. Anyways, let me get back to my burger. I thought it was some other shit going on. Oh, you threw the beans on that? Look at that mother. Bruh.
oh, we forgot to hit it.
Hit that shit. Don't worry about this. We got this over here on the cuts. This is what you don't see when you be recording. Hit that shit. Stand the man, you know.
Gotta.
Yeah.
First, you're gonna
Mike the
slide
Knight,
that in the
you
middle,
feel me?
like that there.
Hit that shit up. Hit that shit up.
Y'all don't know about that.
No, just a little bedazzle. Don't give him too much on this. That's it. Put that shit back up, man.
Go.
On another night, that's butter that y'all seen.
We gonna flip that over.
That's grilled
It's on
hoagie.
and cooking.
That's grilled hoagie style.
I don't know nothing about that.
Now, you know, we ain't gonna throw the other part in there because if you were to throw some crushed up hot Cheetos on that, you feel me, you would have been that guy. Indubitably. Hello. Throw that up in the microwave for me. A little bit, 30 seconds. No, yeah, 30, let it go for 15. Yeah. But you know. Hold on, let me throw that back again. Allegiant. What stadium is that at? Allegiant. What stadium is that at? Anybody want to answer that? And you would have lost all the whole game, my nigga. Raider Nation. That's what I said. I couldn't wait to take this camera. I'm a Raiders. What? I have my office. I still haven't set up because I haven't been there. Thank you. I don't want to put this all in public. Me and Nolan have not been to our office because we got these calls on lock. You ain't a Raiders fan then, nigga. Fuck out of here.
What's wrong with you? You such a grumpy.
Yeah, like he got diarrhea or something. What the fuck is wrong with?
He accidentally put his wife's thong on this morning.
Stiff booty.
I like that.
I'm done.
Welcome to my my room. Oh, is it cold? Yeah. Both?
Keep them both?
I'm thirsty. I need both of them. Y'all, I'm about to put this on pause because I gotta keep saying, I swear I ain't getting no drugs when I was pregnant with any of my kids. I ain't smoke. I ain't do nothing. I done started smoking weed till I was 26 and I had him when I was 24. So.
What happened? I ain't even know the song playing. I just love it.
Hey.
You know how you make a plate of food, you just